हेलो गाइस। तो आज हम सीखेंगे एटोमिसिटी एंड कंसिस्टेंसी. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ एसिड प्रॉपर्टीज which is followed by transaction and to study how it is ensue. First we can be discuss about atomicity ensue that transaction is treated as a single individual unit of work. It follows the all over nothing rules. Either the entire transaction complete successfully or none of it does. And how atomicity ensure data integrity. First, if any part of transaction fail, the system rollback all changes, restoring the database to its original state. Second, prevent partial updates which could leave the database in an inconsistent state. Third, use mechanism like transaction log and undo operation to revert incomplete transaction. So we can now here to talking about example. Consider a bank transfer where step first, if $100 is deducted from account A. Step 2, add $100 to account B. Then what is here? If step 2 fail, example due to the network error, atomicity ensures that step 1 is also undone. So account A does not lose money without account B receive it. Second, consistency. Definition. Consistency ensures that transaction brings the database from one valid state to another, maintaining all predefined rule constraints. How consistency ensures data integrity? First, ensure that only one valid data is written to the database. Example, no negative balance, valid foreign keys. If transaction violation any rules, it is about and database remain unchanged. Relies on integrity constraints. Example, primary keys, unique key constraint checks. Likes we can be here we can be talking about example. A transaction attempt to like withdraw 150 from an account with 100 balance. Since this violent the balance is greater than equal to 0 rules that transaction is rejected, keeping the database consistency. Now here we can be talking about difference between atomicity and consistency. First, atomicity ensure complete execution of transaction and mechanism rollbacks on failures. If the transaction is failed, then it can roll back. Second, consistency ensure valid data rules are followed. Mechanism about invalid transaction. Thank you guys and have a nice day.